I'd like to introduce you, if you haven't already seen this product before. It's called Euthabag. It's a designated custom cadaver bag for companion animals, in particular exotics, cats, and dogs. And what's wonderful about this product is that it is very durable. It is waterproof, and it's got this wonderful zipper feature that makes it easy to place an animal with inside. It's got an area here where we can write the pet's or animal's information, the family's information, and what specifics they might have for cremation needs and burial holding, anything like that. So it's very easy to work with, again, very durable. I'm going to open it up here so we can see this zipper feature. And inside, if you can see that in the video, there's a bit of a reflective surface, and that's that watertight barrier that helps to keep in any bodily fluids from leaking out. So an animal can reside in this bag for days at a time and still have it be, again, very, very leak-proof. So this bag comes in different sizes, and in a moment I'm going to show you a larger size, and in particular how you can carry a very large dog in a bag like this with the ends and kind of like their included handles. But for right now I'm going to show you how we actually place a small animal within the interior. And you can have this to the side after the animal has passed, bring the bag to where the animal is, and then place in, or you can actually perform euthanasia on the bag itself. And what you do first is you open up the flap, like that, tuck the flap behind. Then you can bring a potty pad or a towel, either a special blanket or a towel, lay it over the top of the bag like that. And then you can place your patient on top. And this is then where you can perform euthanasia. After the animal has passed and the family has had the privacy or the time that they need, then you can either wrap the animal in the potty pad or the towel or blanket that you've chosen to use, such as like this, to place inside, or you can also remove that lower barrier and then place the animal directly in the bag. And it doesn't take much just to get the tail and the body, the legs tucked in, and then bring this up over the top. So you can see, even though this model is very small, there's still ample room inside to hold a dog upwards of even 20 pounds, depending on the design or anatomy of that dog, but certainly perfect cat size for us to use. So this is just a wonderful, well-made, compassionate, and respectful product that within your team can help to reduce compassion fatigue and increase compassion satisfaction, knowing that a veterinary professional has been able to care for an animal with love and dedication and respect throughout its life, and now we're caring for it in the same way after the animal has passed. And there, as you can see, because it is so respectful and pleasant to the eye, you can place an animal inside with the family present. That would not be considered off-putting compared to maybe some of the other cadaver bags that we use that are not designated as that, where we're talking about contractor bags or trash bags. Just because they're watertight, we tend to use them, but this is a far superior product and one that every veterinary hospital should have on hand. So I'm going to pull in a larger size here to show us. This is not the extra large size, but this is a larger one. You can see here compared to the other, it's substantially larger. But in particular, what I'd like to demonstrate are the ends here and your handles. So if you've got a large dog in here, these ends expand out and you can grip them like this. And it's plenty strong and enough space that you can really get a firm hold, so you on one end and an assistant on the other can easily lift a large dog and move it to where it needs to go. A reminder that these bags can be placed inside of crematory ovens. The animals do not have to be removed outside of this. I just thought that'd be worth mentioning. Perfect burial bags as well. So this happens to be their current catalog. And there you can see the logo, Euthabag, Depart with Dignity. And inside, lots of good information about the product itself, talking about all the benefits and and specifications. And then on the back, there's the example of the different sizes that you have to choose from. And over here, I'll just point out that they've got these boxes that the bags come in, that there's 5 bags per box, and it's a nice, easy way to distribute them. This is a type of box that you can keep in your vehicle if you're a mobile vet, or you can keep in your storage space in a veterinary hospital and easily just pull out a bag every time that you need. So again, Euthabag, Canadian company that is changing the way that we care for animals after death, elevating that respect and helping them depart with dignity.